Aubrey, hold on to the side so you don't jump near her. Thank you. Aubrey, careful, please. There, she's holding on and jumping. You two are so silly. No, leave it closed so she can't get out because I don't want her falling out. Good jumping. Nice jumping for her. Nice jumping. Oh, she got just jumping with you. Nice jumping. Not too hard. Thank you. Oh, she's jumping with you. Careful, Aubrey. You are doing such a good job jumping. Nice jumps near your sister. Wait for her to sit or stand. Whoa, careful. Nice jumps.